Happy Monday, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Now, tonight I got a special treat for you, a little bit different than a lot of the videos I do. I'm going to go over our DEW market timing signals, one of my favorite signal, if not my favorite signal, to utilize to keep me on the right side of the trend when I make my trades. Now, the DEW is kind of like the middle of the road signal. It's not quite, the primary wave. That's going to be our fastest moving signal, giving you weekly price action updates there. And the confirmed call, a little bit slower, is more conservative in nature, designed to capture the big moves of the market, right? DEW, perfect middle of the road signal if you plan on swing trading. So we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to show you how to utilize the DEW. And I even put it in a trading system with one of my favorite searches, and I'll show you the results in the backtester. So if you want to get some ideas of an automated trading system going forward, stick around and let's get started. As 4th of July approaches and we celebrate our nation's independence, let VectorVest help you with your financial independence. A trial just 99 cents over the next 30 days. Just go to VectorVest.com/YT. The special ends July 7th. Here we can see the DEW in action. Now, DEW is an acronym. D for DPO or D-trended price oscillator. E for the upper and lower envelopes. And W, you see the white line here? That's going to be a 30-day weighted moving average. Now, generally speaking, to get a preliminary up signal here with the DEW, price action has to be above that 30-day weighted moving average, and DPO has to be in positive territory. Now, just to the adverse effect for a down signal, just the opposite. When price action crosses below that 30-day weighted moving average and DPO crosses into negative territory. Now, there was an exemption to the rule, and that's when price action broke this envelope here. So anytime price action breaks the envelope, you don't need the DPO to get back in positive territory. You can see the preliminary up signal only occurred when the price action went back above the 30-day weighted moving average. Because there was such a steep sell-off here, the DPO took a little bit longer to get into positive territory, and that's exactly what this Pierce looks for. So it'll get you in a little bit quicker than otherwise. So you can see, though, over the last, we got almost 8 months worth of data here. These down signals, hedging your portfolio, protecting profits, key in this current market situation as well. Any upside potential in the market, the DEW does shed some light on those uptrends, so that way you can take advantage of those uptrends and profit in your portfolio. Now, I do want to compare this because a lot of people I know watching this may not be familiar with the VVC or VectorVest composite. That's the candlesticks here. That's more than 9,000 stocks we're tracking in our database. It's like combining the Russell, the Dow Jones, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the pink sheets, all of that into one. Gives you a great sense of broad market movement. And now we're looking at the SPYs. I know a lot of people are not familiar with the VectorVest composite, but just keep in mind these signals are generated by the VectorVest composite, but even utilizing them to get a sense of movement in the SP 500, you can see it does a great job keeping you on the right side of the trade. You can see price action here, utilizing this 30-day weighted moving average as a level support. The DPO staying in positive territory kept us in an up signal, showing that momentum was still upside for the bulls. And we can see a new high occurring as of now at $615. So again, DEW, great signal to have in your tool belt when investing in the stock market. Now, the second item I wanted to show you was a search here. One of my more popular searches. It's very simple. It just looks for high VST stocks that are undervalued in nature. So out of the 9,000 stocks that we're tracking, it's about 9,600 stocks. This will give me the top VST stocks that are currently undervalued, following that VectorVest mantra of buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time. And these are the type of stocks that come up in the mix here. I just ran it as of today here. We've got EME, AMP, New Market, NEU. So some of these are pretty familiar names here, but you can see the momentum to the upside with these positions today. So now let's jump in the backtester and I'll show you the trading system that I had put together. All right, so we're in the backtester part of the program. I mean, just looking at the equity curve here, nice smooth equity, lower left, upper right. If we take a look here, I mean, the portfolio was valued in January at $137,000. You can see we're actually up since the beginning of the year now, sitting around $150,760. I mean, this was started back in 2023. It's up 50% so far. And by an annual rate of return basis, we're looking around 29.62%. And with a max drawdown only 11.83%, I wanted to put this trading system on your radar, utilizing our market timing signal DEW with the VST bargain search. So let's go ahead into the rules here. If I go to edit, Here's the rules here. Market timing. We bought stocks long utilizing the search. Simply just put a 10% trailing stop. Again, not overthinking this, right? Now, when we get the DEW down signal, there was no action. So we did not buy stocks in a down market. We only bought high quality, undervalued stocks when they are rising, and we trusted those stocks utilizing a 10% trailing stop. So very simple yet effective way to stay ahead of the market and stay on the right trend of the market. Now, I hope this information utilizing the DEW, the Unisearch, and the backtester part of the solve put all the pieces of the puzzle together for you. And again, utilizing the VectorVest 7 system, you can get these trade alerts on your cell phone. So anytime that trading system sends you a buy or sell alert, you simply just go to your phone and place the trade. They're very easy to follow through going forward. Now, hopefully everybody enjoyed tonight's presentation. You learned something here. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow evening.
Yeah.